couple of years ago, I bought this catamaran for less than $10,000. Because it's very basic, some of the tasks are more difficult than on most of the sailboats. Come with me so you can check by yourself how difficult it is moving the boat from one island to another in Bahamas. The weather is the boss. In my way to Georgetown, some days are for sailing, others to hide from the wind and visit some places. The wind has been a little strong. A few days ago, I sailed to Great Guana Cape in the Exumes to stay protected for a few days. During the 2 days I waited for a weather window, I worked remotely, and at the end of the day I visited the town. There are some facilities for the sailors, a dock with some pets, good restaurants, grocery stores, and even a clinic. Today, the wind is still a little strong, but I think I can do it. Yesterday, I reefed the mainsail and changed the front sail for one small. I used to have some bungee cords separating the lines from the mast, so the first step is removing that. Then I have to start moving the boat a little to the front, so the tension to the anchor is released. So then I can move again to the front and just pull the line, the chain, and the anchor. The anchor is very light for this boat. Then I can raise the mainsail. And I have to do that really quick because now the boat is loose. I have to check everywhere. I don't want to hit anybody. So now I can start going my way. Now that everything is ready for the first couple of miles, I can turn on the autopilot and turn off the engine. When I finish the first 2 miles, I have to turn left. So it's the good time to raise the second sail. Again, it's time to set up the autopilot, check all the route, and enjoy it. However, sometimes we have to sail through channels between islands, sometimes almost against the wind. It's much tougher, and sometimes it's better to have the engine ready in case we need a little push until the wind can help again. This beauty is the sandbar at Mushaki, very close to the place where I'm going to anchor for tonight. To anchor, I point the boat against the wind very slowly, and I use an app to detect the GPS location and receive a signal if the boats move out of the safe distance. Today I'm going to stay here because I have to wait for a calmer wind to cross a cut going to kind of an open ocean in my way to Georgetown. Well, I forgot to tell the app that I'm moving out of the boat, so I have to change the distance. These islands are rented exclusively. So if you wanna be by yourself in this island, you can talk with David Copperfield and rent the islands for you. And if you do that, please let him know that you knew about these islands through my channel, so maybe I can have a little commission, and with that little commission buy a new boat. Really, the area is super beautiful. I remember of some rocks that I saw in Baja California, very close to La Paz, Mexico. I was impressed with this cave, but when I turned around, I discovered a different cave. It was really, really neat. It's like having a beach, but covered. You don't have to use sunscreen. But really what I wanted to see in this area is a piano, a sunken piano, and a mermaid. Really, the clarity of the water is incredible, but let's go for a concert. The next day it wasn't that smooth, but that's part of another story.